What if there's been a delay in diagnosis or a misdiagnosis? Delay in diagnosis or misdiagnosis are sometimes some of the most common medical errors, and unfortunately, sometimes the most tragic set of circumstances. Examples would be you've had a pain in your side for many months. You visit your doctor. Your doctor told you to get some tests run, which you did. You were compliant. You followed orders. You followed up with the nurse. The nurse said everything was fine, or everything appears normal. But then a couple months down the road, you learned from your doctor that it was actually cancer all along, and maybe the cancer is no longer here, but it's here still, but it's elsewhere in your body too, and your life is in peril. Or maybe your husband goes to the ER complaining of chest pain, spends a couple hours in the ER, the emergency room. They send him home, where later that evening he dies of a massive heart attack. Delayed diagnosis, misdiagnosis, often very tragic and heartbreaking for patients and families, as well as doctors and nurses. That doctors and nurses don't like that. They don't want to miss things like that, but it happens. What do you do under these set of circumstances? Well, again, it's a common theme. Hate to sound like a broken record, but this theme we're advocating for in these videos, as well as in the ebook Did the Doctor Make a Mistake, is treat this like a customer service complaint process. Go back. Start that process by first going back to the doctor, back to the hospital, speaking to the doctor, letting him or her know your complaints, your problems, your concerns, and seeing what happens. See what they do, see what they don't do, see what they say, see what they don't say, and escalate from there. And again, you can hire a lawyer anytime you want, and that is always your right to do that. But I think it's smart to start with that doctor and see what they say and go from there.